Hello and welcome to episode 183 of the Daily Shed. Today I'm going to show you how to do some double hammer-ons. And as an example, I'm using Homeward Bound by Simon & Garfunkel. And the whole introduction goes like this. Like that. So the second thing you'll hear is, after the open strings, just the B and G strings together is, so it's hammering on the second fret of the G string, the first fret of the B string at the same time. So you pick once, then again, then hammer on and pull off. And it takes a bit of strength to have them both come out evenly and strongly, especially before the other notes that come after it. So just try it, just hammering on as hard as you can. Maybe start just with pulling off. Get used to that feeling, and then try the hammer. And eventually, do both. Okay. So after the hammer, then third fret on the D string, second fret on the A string, and I'm just picking the D and the G string with my right hand. Then second fret on the D string, open G string, third fret on the A string, second fret on the D string, and then another hammer on. So I'm plucking the D and G strings, but just hammering on the E string, or on the D string on the second fret, ending with the G again. Hope it's useful to you. Please let me know any questions or comments, and thanks for watching.